Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you what's there inside my bag. I love watching what's in my bag videos, and I always wanted to do one, so I thought why not to do it now. And if you want to know what's there inside my bag, then please keep on watching. So the bag I use is from Lavie. This is called the pink Rosetta bag, I guess. I'll put the link in the description box below for this bag, and okay, let's jump into it. So the first thing comes from my bag is my power bank. This is from Ambrain. And the next one I have is my Philips Go Gear. Then I have two handkerchiefs with me. I have my comb, this is very important. Then I have my scarf. I don't know for what I'm carrying this, but I carry this. Next I have my sunglasses. This is from Winston Chase. So this is how my sunglass looks like. I love whatever that has black and gold in it, so I just carry this with me. Again, this is also very important because you need your eyes to be protected. Then I have a packet of tissues. Then I have a Japanese fan with me. I live in Chennai, guys. This is very important for me to carry. Then I have my coin purse. Actually, I don't use it as a coin purse. I keep my headphones in it. See, I have my headphones and Bluetooth in it. Then I have my wallet. This is from Baguette. So I have my cards and cash over here. Next I have my makeup pouch. So this I bought from Lifestyle. This is from a brand called Ginger. So let's see what's there inside my makeup bag. So first I have my compact. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Then I have my hand cream. This is from Plum. This is their Choco Latte hand cream. Oh my god, this smells exactly like chocolate, and whenever I apply this, I just feel like eating it. Then I have my USB cable for the power bank, and some hair ties and more hair ties. Then I also have my hand sanitizer. Then there is also a folding comb in it. I have my kajal. This is from Sugar. This is in the shade Black Velvet. And I have two lipsticks with me. Both are from Faces Ultem Pro Matte Lip Crayon, and in the shades Peach Me 08 and Wrapped Up 09. I'll show you the swatches. So this is the shade Wrapped Up. And this is the shade Peach Me. And lastly I have two Tic Tacs. And that's it from my makeup bag. It's empty, and my bag is also empty. So I have a zipper here. I keep my receipts and extra tissue papers over here. It's a mess. So I also have some Domino's toppings over here, some change, and that's it, guys. So my bag is empty. As you can see, it's empty. And that's it, guys. So these are all the things I carry with me in my handbag. I hope you all like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.
To carry. So I have this beautiful Japanese fan with me.